What if losing belly fat didn't start with a brutal workout, but with one small decision you could actually stick to? Maybe you've convinced yourself that you need long workouts, endless burpees, or hours of cardio before you'll ever lose that stubborn belly fat. The truth is, that's exactly why so many people give up. If you're looking for easy workouts to lose belly fat, you're probably not searching for the easiest option because you're lazy. You're searching because you want something you can actually stick with. And that's a much smarter way to think about fitness. The people who achieve lasting results usually aren't the ones doing the hardest workouts. They're the ones who build habits they can repeat, week after week, without constantly relying on motivation. So instead of asking, what's the fastest way to lose belly fat? Ask yourself something much more useful. What's the simplest routine I can realistically follow 3, 4, or even 5 times every week? That's the routine that has the best chance of changing your body. For one person, it might be a 20-minute walk after dinner. For someone else, it could be riding a stationary bike while watching a favorite TV show, doing a short home workout, swimming, or simply taking the stairs instead of the lift. Don't underestimate simple movement. A workout doesn't have to leave you exhausted to be effective. If it gets you moving, raises your heart rate a little, and you keep coming back to it, it's already doing its job. Now let's think about food, because this is where many people unknowingly cancel out all the effort they're putting into exercise. Instead of looking for a miracle diet, start asking better questions. Does this meal keep me full? Am I getting enough protein? Am I eating because I'm hungry, or just because the food is there? Those questions are far more valuable than counting every calorie. Build your meals around protein first. Chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans, or tofu are all great options. Protein helps keep you satisfied, supports your muscles, and makes it easier to stay consistent with your eating. Then add vegetables to increase the volume of your meals, and include quality carbohydrates like oats, potatoes, rice, fruit, or whole grains to keep your energy levels up. Notice what we're not doing. We're not banning bread, we're not cutting out every treat, and we're definitely not trying another impossible diet. If you enjoy pizza, chocolate, or dessert, have them occasionally. Long-term progress comes from learning balance, not chasing perfection. Movement outside your workouts matters too. If you spend most of the day sitting, one short workout won't completely undo that. Look for opportunities to move more without thinking of it as exercise. Walk while you're talking on the phone. Stand up every hour. Carry your shopping instead of using a trolley when possible. Park a little further away. These choices seem small, but they increase your daily activity without making life harder. One of the biggest misconceptions about belly fat is believing that hundreds of crunches will make your stomach flatter. They won't. Crunches strengthen your abdominal muscles, but they don't tell your body where to burn fat. Fat loss happens across your whole body. That's why combining regular movement, sensible eating, and patience will always beat searching for one magical exercise. And don't judge your progress only by the scales. Ask yourself, am I moving more than I did a month ago? Do I have more energy? Am I sleeping better? Are my clothes fitting differently? Those are all signs that your habits are working, even if the scales don't change overnight. Most importantly, stop trying to rely on motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Make healthy choices easier than unhealthy ones. Leave your trainers by the door. Prepare tomorrow's lunch tonight. Keep healthy snacks where you can see them. When the good choice becomes the easy choice, consistency takes care of itself. That's really what easy workouts to lose belly fat are all about. They're not designed to push you to your limits. They're designed to help you build a lifestyle that you can actually enjoy and maintain. Move a little more, eat a little better, stay patient, because those small decisions, repeated hundreds of times, are what truly transform your body. And if you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to Fitness Rats Universe, and join us for more practical fitness advice designed for real people, not just fitness enthusiasts.